Simple interest is nothing but the interest that is calculated on principal amount. The amount of interest will remain same over the period of time. I have given an example in this video. So let's say the amount of interest, the rate of interest is 10%. Over the year of period, that is on year 1 on year 2, the amount of interest is remaining same, that is 100 and 100, which is calculated on 1000. There are multiple ways to calculate percentage, that is 1000 into 10%, 1000 into 0.10, that is 10 upon 100. So you can calculate through this also. So there is one more option through you which can calculate, that the formula is future value is equal to present value into 1 plus year into rate. Why we have added this 1? So I have given an example to understand you this. If you calculate 1 plus 0.10 into 100, that will also give you 110. 1 plus 10%, that is into 100, that will also give you 110, and 110% of 100 will also give you 110. So this is nothing but the simplification of 110% of 100. So 1 is required to be added to calculate 110% of 100. So if we come back here, 1000 is the principal amount on which 120% is the interest rate, which is calculated from 2 year and 10% of interest rate, multiplied by 2 into 0.10 plus 1, which is calculated 1.20, and multiplied with 1000, it will give you an answer of 1200. So this is it. If you want to know more about many other things, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Dhanyavad. After simple interest, let's move to the compound interest. Now what is compound interest? Amount of interest that will vary over the period of time. In every single period, it will be calculated amount cumulated till the period. Don't just read the sentence, but understand it thoroughly, so you will get to know more about this. So the third sentence, what it says, the investor or depositor does not claim or receive the interest or amount, unlike simple interest. What happens in simple interest? The amount of interest that is occur, that will be claimed by the depositor. So the principal amount remains the same over the period of time. But in this compound interest, the amount of interest will not be withdrawn by the depositor. So the interest will be accumulated over the period of time. So the interest will be charged on amount that is accumulated over the period of time. So I have an example for you to understand this. Let's say we have 10% of interest rate. When I say accumulating over the period of time, when we first invested it, we have invested as 1000 rupees. After that, rupees 100 is generated from 1000, that is 1000 into 10%. We will accumulate it to 1000 plus 100 is equal to 1100. After that, 10% of interest again charged, then it will be 110 and not 100. How it is created? It is created through 1100 into 10%. So over the period of time, the interest will be charged in the same manner. Now for mathematical understanding, we can go through this like 1000 into 110% of 1000 into 110% into 110%. It can be simplified through this 1000 into 1.10 into 1.10 into 1.10. It can be gathered in 1.10 raised to 3. That will make 1000 into 1 plus 0.10 raised to 3. So to make you understand and to simplify these things, the formula was created, that is face value is equal to present value into 1 plus I raised to t, where I is the interest rate and t is the time. This is the simple compounding. There is also continuous compounding, where we use e as an exponential to formulate a formula, where future value is equal to present value into e raised to rt. This formula can be used only for a single year and not for multiple numbers of year. I have given some example for this. You can go through this and understand it more. The value of E is equal to 2.71828. And how do you calculate this kind of power? I'll make a separate video on this. So please subscribe, and till then, Dhanyavad.